Hey everyone, welcome back to the Data Channel. Today we got something big. Databricks just announced their free editions a couple of days back, and it's total game changer for anyone looking for building their skills in data and especially AI. Whether you are a student, data professional, or just curious learner, so this would give you the opportunity, or this would enable you to kind of learn or the essence of the word of the data, the AI and the data, the big data. So let's break down what you can do with Databricks free edition. And so before proceeding, if you are new to this channel, we would recommend you to please subscribe and also press bell button for instant notifications. So let's get started. All right, so just let's open browser, any browser of your choice, and let's Google for Databricks free edition, right? And here basically you can see the first link where it says free edition formerly Databricks community edition. Basically, if you know, so Databricks already had a free kind of a edition that was previously called as like a community edition. So like many people has utilized that community edition to do a practice, but this free edition is little different than the community edition, right? So free edition is more of a concentrating on AI, giving free hands-on experiences to the users, especially on the AI side and the machine learning side. It is kind of giving the opportunity to leverage the AI assistant. Basically, net if you see, it is more of a giving the opportunity to explore the AI side of it rather than just giving the data engineering concepts. So that's where it is basically different than the community edition. Right. So the second link you can see introducing Databricks free edition. So you can pretty much go and click on that link, right? And it'll open up this window where you can see it talks about what exactly the Databricks free edition is, right? And if you see read the summary, so it allows the data and AI learners. So that is what I was just telling, right? So it is more of a the emphasis is given for the AI learners and to learn and explore on the same platform used on a daily basis, by millions of professionals globally. So that's been given free to the learners here, and that will include a significant set of features that are previously only available to the paid Databricks users. So that's the exciting thing, right? So even in community edition, these lot of features were not available. That was only available in the enterprise editions, but now they in the free edition they are making that available. But yeah, there will be some sort of limitations. However, to get that feel and to have that learning capabilities, they are enabling these things. And so anyway, data as a Databricks Academy, they will continue to contribute the learners with the Databricks Academy here. And the hub for learning and data on Databricks is now offering all self-paced courses for free for all users to meet their increasing demand for AI, data and AI talent. So the important thing here is it is a self-paced course in that as part of the Databricks Academy. You can Google Databricks Academy and you get a lot of free courses which are self-paced there. Of course, you get a paid ones which are taken individually. You can sign up for that. But if you are looking for a free learning, so then you can use the self-paced in database in Databricks Academy, and you get the free versions for both data and AI trainings. So it's a deal, right? Basically, you're getting the course content also for free and also the platform for also free. So what stops you kind of learning Databricks with respect to data and AI aspects from the both aspects, right? So that's a really good deal, I would say. And so there are a couple of features, right? Like if you see what the free editions gives you, so like you might be ever like wanted to build your own ChatGPT style assistant or AI bot, right? So with this free edition, you can use Mosaic AI to just do that. So imagine you're creating a customer support AI agent. So you can fine tune into your own company FAQs, deploy it into the notebook, and test the responses, and even add governance rules like data uh, redaction. And yes, you can also get access to foundations like MPT, LLM, LLama, and other experiments. So we will see in that in the practicals, and also the so that's about AI and application. And also, if you want to like have collaboration on data science projects, right, and ML projects. So basically, if you're working with a friend on a Kaggle competitor or building a portfolio project, now you can collaborate on like say Python, SQL, Scala notebook for absolutely free. So let's say you are analyzing a climate change data. One team writes Python code for pre-processing, another writes SQL queries for aggregating the data, and both can visualize the results in real time. So the next is like you can also create a dashboards which are more beautiful, interactive, conversational, right? And so ultimately visuals matters, right? And you can now build those interactive dashboards that can have charts, filters, even AI powered question and answers, right? And you are tracking sales performance for a fictional e-commerce store, right? You add a line chart for a revenue, a bar chart for a top product, and even ask the dashboard in plain English what we are top selling products in a Q1. So and it responds. So that's the important piece here, right? So you are actually the coding language is English, right? So that's the important point here, right? So you're actually not maybe writing a query, but very less query. So, and you might start using the AI to kind of create a dashboard and also even write the queries. So that's an interesting piece, and you can try it out for free. And also the query and analyze the data with SQL, right? So that can be done like a pro because learning SQL for free edition gives you access to real data sets and full SQL editor to practice. For example, you can connect to a public NYC taxi data set and write queries like select some whatever like pickup drop comma count of stars from trips group by pickup drop etc, and you just get that result in real time and analytics jobs, so no setups is required here, right? And also the build reliable pipelines with Lake4. You can also, if you're wanting to learn data engineering, you can use Databricks Lakeflow to build ETL pipelines. Say you're building a daily reports, you can ingest sales data from S3 bucket, transform it using PySpark, and schedule it to run every morning. So this is how the real data teams does that, right? So that opportunity, the exact how it is, it's not just about writing the code and also scheduling the end-to-end pipelines, monitoring it, so the entire touch and feel you'll be getting it here, right? And also the AI powered the help with Databricks assistant. So if you see, so if you're like say for example stuck with PySpark code, so just ask the Databricks assistant, right? So for example, how do I write a window functions to calculate moving average in a PySpark? So it instantly generates the code and even explains it, it having a code mentor right inside your notebook. And also the real-time collaboration. So just like a pros, right? So you'll get that real-time collaboration here. So if you want to invite your friends or team members to join your workspace, no credits, no limits. You can learn, build, experiment together. So this was not there before. So now with the free edition, this was never been there before. So now that collaboration, even in the free workspace, so that is a game changer here. Whether it's a machine learning model for a churn prediction or a data visualization project for your resume, right? So that can be a real game changers. So now you might be waiting for how do I enable this, right? So how do I, in real time, how do I enable the free edition, right? So basically, you can go ahead and click try Databricks here. So where does it take? So it'll take to this page. And at the bottom, you can see here there is a looking for a Databricks Free Edition. Click here. So you can click here and it will take you to this window. Or the other option is where you can click here in this screen where we have already there uh, Databricks Free Edition, and it will take you to the screen. And again, here again you can click on Try Databricks, or the easiest option is click on Sign Up because we are doing it for first time. If you're already registered for Free Edition, you can log in. But because we are doing it for first time, so we need to register or sign up. I'll use my Google account. So then I will just give the access to my Google account, and you can choose your own account name basically, and click on continue. Because I'm already signed up, so I'm getting this error, right? Otherwise, you'll be able to continue, and you'll get some OTP or OTP numbers basically to your email ID, and you can give that OTP number, and also you'll get some questions to answer, and you are signed up for that, right? So since I already have an account, right, so I'll go ahead and create login to that edition, right, and I'll choose my account here. So if you land to this page, this is a landing page. Welcome to Databricks. So if you're seeing welcome to Databricks, so this is where you are already in the free edition, right? And you can see here in the top, right, top left corner, Databricks free edition, it is mentioned as. So that means you are successfully enabled the free edition, and you can start the practice in this Databricks free edition workspace. So this is a workspace, what we call, right? And you are able to see the your profile here, right? And you can click on workspace and you can just go through the workspace. So all your notebooks will be saved here. And so basically, if you see the difference, right? So from the community, if you know about the community editions, the previous community edition that we had, so there you got option to create a cluster. But here you don't have that option to create a cluster, but you can create a SQL warehouse of your particular choice. So there's a limit definitely. So you can choose the only the small here. The other options are disabled because it is a free edition, right? And one advantage, the important point here is the AIML, right? So the AIML, you can just try any AIML use cases here. So if I click on sentiment analysis, so you can pretty much go ahead and try this on the playground of AIML, and you can also have enable this experiments here. You can create an experiment here, and you get to kind of create those AIML experiments, and you can create a features, you can create models. So this is, you can see all kind of models are readily available. So the inbuilt models, you can start using those models. All right. You can serve this model, basically click on serve this model and you can start using that. So everything is in a click of a button, and most importantly, these are all free, right? And pretty much, so if you walk through a quick walkthrough of this, right? So workspace is where your notebooks and the code is saved basically, right? And you can create a new notebook, click on your notebook, and you can just query in this particular, you can use any programming language, right? Python, SQL, Scala, or R. So and you can query that, query the tables, etc. And also here workflows, you can create a workflows, right? Workflows is nothing but you can create a ETL pipelines, or you can create a jobs, right? You can just drag and drop, and the notebooks also to kind of orchestrate those notebooks. So yeah, so this is a query history where it will show you all the queries that you have run so far, and you can see the data ingestion connectors. To do a data ingestion, you have all these connectors you can leverage. So basically, this is all you're getting in Databricks free edition. So good thing, and the most important thing here is the AIML, the playground, and the experiments, features, models. So everything you're getting for free. right? So that is quite interesting, and you can try those things out. And so yeah, this is how you can leverage the Databricks. You can create a Databricks free edition and you can start utilizing it. If you have any questions regarding Databricks free edition, feel free to comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond back. So hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.